In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make money as a teenager with $0 and a phone. So besties, I have reviewed dozens of the most popular money-making websites to determine my own list, and I've listed them accordingly, and I'll be saving the best for the last. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. The first app on my list is impact.com. Guys, impact.com is a secret website that those that are interested in making money from affiliate marketing can leverage on. Affiliate marketing is a business model through which anyone can make a ton of passive income online by promoting products they didn't create and earning a commission for each sales that they make through their unique affiliate links. Now, they are unique. There are thousands of different brands and companies that you can promote on the Impact website. Some of the brands on this platform include Adidas, Airbnb, Microsoft, Levi's, Walmart, and so on. Guess what? You can use social media to promote affiliate offers on impact.com. And if you're not a fan of making money using social media, there are also easy ways to promote affiliate links without social media. The next app on my list here is Idle Empire. Guys, Idle Empire is without a doubt a fantastic GPT site to sign up for if you want to earn quick money in Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. Now, you can make money by completing surveys, viewing videos, and doing other easy tasks. There are many accessible paid tasks on this website. Additionally, you may withdraw your money in Bitcoin once you've earned just 10 cents. So guys, Idle Empire is a fantastic secret website to earn cryptocurrencies by doing surveys and other micro tasks because it accepts users from almost every country and it is typically easy to use. Now, use this secret system to make money online on autopilot. My next website is crossover.com. Guys, Crossover is a recruiting platform that specializes in remote jobs. It's a secret website to make money where you can earn by working from the convenience of your home or wherever you choose. Guys, Crossover connects talented professionals across the world with their ideal job. You can find a lot of high-paying job listings on crossover.com, and if you find the one that matches your expertise, you should apply for it. A job secured on this platform can earn you some mind-blowing salaries. They have recruited over 4,000 remote job seekers so far, and they operate in over 150 countries, and you get paid weekly in US dollars. Guys, one of the best websites with an app for making money while listening to music is Current Rewards. Now, with this app, you not only make money by listening to music, playing games and watching videos on YouTube are more ways to earn money. Now, any song that you listen to and every other point earning activity that you carry out on this site earns you prizes. When you use this app alongside a couple of other money-making apps, guess what? You can easily make $600 extra, and you can choose to withdraw your profits as gift cards or PayPal accounts. Now, this app is one of the many secret online money-making apps, and it has no geographical restrictions, and you may use it from anywhere around the world and earn good money with it. The next app on my list here is Vocal Media. Guys, Vocal Media is a secret website to make money by writing content. It's a relatively unknown alternative to medium.com. Writers get paid for reads on their own content. You can also make money on this website by reading a certain number of articles written by other writers. If you have a blog where you publish unique content, you can republish these articles on Vocal Media and make money from them. Regardless of whether you have a blog or not, you can sign up for a free account on Vocal Media. Choose a niche to work and publish fresh content or old articles that you own. Now, use this secret system to make money on autopilot and thank me later. And one interesting thing is that people actually say that working for yourself is risky, but actually learning how to make money is probably one of the biggest risk mitigators that one can have. And I hope that you're going to take advantage of all of these amazing opportunities that I've shared with you guys in today's video. And like I said, there are so many ways to actually promote your business. If you have a skill, there are so many ways to tell people to find clients that might be interested in your services or in your goods or services. And like I mentioned in one of my videos that there's an app that I use all of the time to get clients near me. The name of the app is called Nextdoor app. Do not miss this. It's a bonus. Yes, and you're welcome. Sign up to Nextdoor when you get on the Nextdoor app, make sure that you post. It's like posting the way you post on Instagram, but please, I'll implore that you always use a picture. A picture easily grabs people's attention. Use a picture. It might not be your picture. You can get the stock picture from pexels.com. Pexels. Something that will just grab people's attention. Just to introduce yourself. You can introduce yourself every time you post, and that's what I do. So the first thing I do is I share a nugget. I say, hi, beautiful neighbors, and then I share a nugget. If you don't believe in yourself, you're already twice defeated in the race of life. Believe in yourself, and you're already halfway there. So you can put, those motivational quotes in the beginning, and then you introduce yourself every time. I do that all the time, and then you go ahead and introduce yourself. My name is X. I do this and da. If you need my services, there is a way to reach out to me. You don't have to give them your phone number online. You can give them an email address that I have dedicated for this purpose alone, because it's a public platform. If you put your real email address or your major email address, people might bombard you with all kinds of things. So what you do is you create an email address, email accounts just for this purpose, and you give them the email address. This is how you can reach out to me. When you do that, and you can also encourage them to send you a DM on Nextdoor. Yes, the feature is also available there. So tell people to send you a DM, tell them the services that you offer, and like I said, add a picture that grabs their attention. Add pictures. Like I said, go to pexels.com. You can use canva.com. Just use free stock photos. Put it there on the website on nextdoor.com. Make sure that you make it a day. That's why I said you have to invest in your dreams every day. You have to make conscious effort. There's nothing like, I posted today, I forgot to post tomorrow, or I don't have the time. You must. It's your business. It's your life. It's your gig we're talking about here. If you don't build your dreams, people will pay you to build their own dreams. So take advantage of this Nextdoor app that I'm sharing with you guys right now. Okay, so you can devote 5 to 10 minutes every day posting on Nextdoor. Like I said, start by greeting them. Hi, beautiful neighbors. Leave a beautiful motivational quote, and then introduce yourself every day. Hi, my name is X and Y. I offer this service, blah 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 blah. This is how you can contact me. Here is my email address. Then put a picture that depicts what you're selling. Put a picture. Then people will start. That's why on the Nextdoor, I got 9,000 views without paying for ad, without boosting my posts. 9,000 views, so long as you set up the account as a business. Don't set it up as a personal account, set it up as a business account, because if you don't set it up as a business account, your posts are likely gonna get flagged and they might kick you out of the group. Yes, it's just a matter of time. So yes, these are nuggets that have actually worked for me. I was actually on Nextdoor, on a personal note, but they kicked me out, and then I had to, because I know that it's a beautiful platform where you can maximize the potential of getting lots of clients and making good money from it. So I went back again, I re-strategized, and then I started a new account. When we moved to our own home, I started a new account, because it's only linked to your local community, your local area. So when I registered the second time, I registered as a business, and because of that, I'm able to post anytime, post countless times. In fact, they encouraged me to post, and I even got medals for posting. But if you keep posting as a personal account, you don't get paid, you don't get charged. There's no special payments for posting as a business or as a brand. So don't worry about that. So they promote, and they also encourage you to keep posting. And I hope that with these few points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can make money from the comfort of your home. It all starts with your mindset. All right, guys, take care of yourselves, and I wish you all the very best as you embark on this journey to make good money for yourself. I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now.